Hey, what's good? It's Nate08 with Producer Hub. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to mix rap vocals in FL Studio. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you the FLP. That way you could just download it and get the preset. So this is what the vocals sound like before with no editing. There's no effects on it at all. This is what that sounds like right here. Okay, and so this is with effects.
Spin a few racks, make a few back. I've been in my zone, living too fast. Pull up to the function where the roof at. Pull up to the function, they like, who that? Shawty asking me how I do that. Girl, like the way that you move that. Shawty said you want me, better prove that.
Before.
New pair, oh, drink too much syrup, got me moving slow. Then I heard your bitch like Nate08. That bitch
with effects.
Whoa. Then I heard your bitch like Nate08. That bitch hit me up, wanna sit on my face. I've been going hard, no time to waste. I'ma get money, I ain't worried about plays. Don't worry about me, homie, stay in your lane.
Channel is 4, that's where the vocals will be on, that's where you would record on. First things first, I did an EQ. This is something called Subtractive EQ. I go through like this.
Spin a few racks, make a few back. I've been in my zone, living too fast. Pull up
and what I'm doing when I have it spiked up like that, and all you have to do that is to go right here and just move this little knob. I'm going through and I'm trying to find where it sounds really fucked up.
I've been in my zone, living too fast.
So now I'm listening for it to just sound whiny and just like, ugh.
Spin a few racks, make a few back. I've been in my zone, living too fast. Pull up to the function where the roof at. Pull up to the function, they like, who that? Shawty asking me how I do that. Girl, like the way that you move that. Shawty said you want me, better prove that. Spin a few racks, make a few back. I've been in my zone, living too fast.
So all I'm gonna do is just pull that down a little bit. You don't want to go crazy with it, just, you know, just pull it down. I pull it down to about 6 right here, so.
Spin a few racks, make a few.
So I found another spot right here, and I pulled that down. So this is what the sound. This is what I heard.
Spin a few racks, make a few back. I've been in my zone, living too fast. Pull up to the function where the roof at. Pull up to the.
I found another one right here. This is what it sounded like.
Spin a few racks, make a few back. I've been in my zone, living too fast.
So this is called Subtractive EQ. I'll have another video on this, but I'm sure you could find other videos on it. It's not too complicated. Like, I pretty much just explained it pretty good. So went to this Transient Processor. No real reason why I used it. It just sounded pretty cool. If you don't have like Waves plugins or anything, and you're just using stock plugins, I don't know. It sounded pretty good. A DS. This is a free. This is not. I don't think this comes with FL Studio. It might. But it's free. Don't worry. I'm gonna have everything ready for you. Basically, what this does is gets rid of the sounds to where it's not so harsh on the ears. This isn't a very good one, honestly. I still would recommend. You don't have to pay for any plugins, even Waves, it doesn't matter what, auto-tune, any plugin, you can get it all for free. I'm just telling you right now. This is also not included with FL Studio. I'm pretty sure it's not, but it's also a free plugin, and I'm going to have that link as well. So once you get it all installed, it's just boom, open the project, you're ready to go. But what this is a multi-band compressor, but it's an EQ and a compressor built in. It's pretty cool. But yeah, don't worry about it. It's free. Got you guys. So I have it at 17, but I'll show you kind of what it does.
Spin a few racks, make a few back.
I'm going to increase the depth.
Spin a few racks, make a few back. I've been in my zone, living too fast. Pull up to the function where the roof at. Pull up to the function, they like, who that? Shawty asking me how I do that.
I used NS1 noise suppressor. So this doesn't come with FL Studio at all. Everything that I did so far, they are free plugins. Besides this one, it's just a noise compressor, and basically all it's doing is just suppressing some of the background noise. So I'll take it off. It's not even doing that much. So don't comment below and be like, what the hell, why aren't you using free stock plugins? FL Studio might already have a noise suppressor. I don't know about it, but there's plenty of them. I'll even link some in the download. So don't worry. I'm not gonna disclude you from anything. This is good though. This is a good one. This is waves. This is what that noise suppressor is doing. I'll increase it like crazy just to show you what it's kind of doing.
Spin a few racks, make a few back. I've been in my zone, living too fast. Pull up to the function where the roof at. Pull up to the function, they like, who that? Shawty asking me how I do that. Girl, like the way that you move that.
But like I said, there's thousands of free ones. There's probably really cheap ones. Or you could just do yourself a solid and find a way to download Waves plugins because they're the best plugins. Multi-band compressor, it's pretty much what the OTT thing is, just not as extreme.
Spin a few racks, make a
Without that, it sounds like this.
Spin a few racks, make a few back. I've been in my zone, living too fast. Pull up to the function where the roof at. Pull up to the function, they like, who that? Shawty asking me how I do that. Girl, like the way that you move that. Shawty said you want me, better prove that. Spin a few racks, make a few back. I've been in my zone, living too fast. Pull up.
Jeez, the reverb and the delay and the widener effect really make a big difference. That's pretty crazy. I'm gonna go and just turn it back on because whatever, it's not a big deal. And so after the fruity multi-band compressor, I've got just a regular compressor, and it's just it's just a pretty aggressive compressor. Nothing special about it really. A high threshold, high ratio, and I turn my gain back up because it's gonna compress it and make it whatever. So
Spin a few racks, make a few back. I've been in my zone, living too fast. Pull up to the function where the roof at. Pull up to the function, they like, who that?
So after that compressor, I've got another EQ. This should actually be before the compressor. I don't know why it's right here, so I'm gonna move that up in the chain. Yeah, I want this to be like this before. So basically, it's just a little EQ. I'm cutting off all the bassy frequencies, and then all I'm doing is cutting everything up until like 10K. That way, it's keeping that clarity, and it's just making it very clear without boost. Like a lot of people, they'll be boosting their high end. You don't want to do that. You just want to take away the low and the mids, and that high end will stay there, and it will sound crispy and clean. So after fruity compressor, I've got another fruity compressor, and it's just doing a little bit of stuff right here, nothing crazy, just leveling out the vocal. And then lastly, I've got sound goodizer. Sounds pretty cool. I like the way it sounds. And then here below, I like to just cut a little bit more of the bassy frequencies, maybe do a little boost, nothing crazy. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. Go ahead and download this project file if you want. It's totally free. Just click the link, and yeah, that's it.